Hey, I wanted to show you guys some new shoes I got. So it's called Adidas Twinstrike Adv. Men's size 9, and the color is, well, they're white, like white grays. So let's get right to it. I also got, looks like some teal. It looks like either like green or teal. That's definitely blue, royal blue. Wow. They have the new shoe smell, that's for sure. Very nice. I feel like they're very soft, very soft. This part like right here is thick and cushy. Actually real nice, man. I like that. So it's got some pretty weird lacing, but I like that. I like that look. It's pretty awesome. I don't know what that kind of lacing is called. The bottoms are different. These definitely look like they've been tried on. Probably have been. The insides look good. There's the tongue tag. Size 9. Made in China, of course. About 90% of everything is. And there's the Adidas, the brand with the 3 stripes. And I guess that is a different language with other writings. So the insoles are performance insoles by Ortholite. Comfort from the inside out. Ortholite insoles. Twinstrike. Alright, so I'm gonna just slip these on real quick and bring the camera down and show you guys what these look like on feet. Bring it down here. So I'll let my laces loose. So here we go. Very soft, very comfortable. They fit real nice, real snug. Like there's, I could lace them, but I don't even need to because they're not gonna, look at that, they're not gonna slip off. Like this right here is, this part right here is real snug. So yeah, I can leave them like loose and they would be just fine. Anyway, they're very comfortable. So there you go with my review of the Adidas Twinstrike Adv. I guess that's what it's called. Adios, amigos.